Hey there, Roger Burnley, vocal coach here. And I've been coaching people for more than 25 years and getting them to be able to really develop strong, powerful voices. So I'm going to give you an exercise to help you develop that strength and that really powerful voice. Now, the first thing I want to say is that most people have this idea that they're kind of have to push to develop this strength. That's not what you're doing. What you're doing more, what you want to do, is develop a coordination in how you're using your body. And that coordination is training your vocal cords to open and close. So this exercise is going to give you this idea. All I'm going to do here is give you the idea. I'm thinking that I'm allowing the cords to open and close. Now, the other thing about that, at the same time that I'm doing that, I'm thinking I'm pulling down. That's going to start to develop my strength. Let me demonstrate a little bit of it for you. Now what I want you to see is that I'm doing this because I want you to start doing that. In other words, I don't want you to think that you're developing your power by pushing up. You're developing a coordination and not cutting off your air. That's what gets that powerful sound to start to come through. Let me just do a little bit more so you get the idea. As I'm going on, I could keep doing that and feeling this great power coming through that if I wanted to get on a Broadway stage, that voice would start to come through. So again, just be careful. Don't try to develop your power by pushing in, because you could end up causing some vocal damage. So be safe and have fun with this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and you'd like a free singing workout that's going to give your voice more vocal range, better tone, and much more freedom, then click this button right here. And I'll take you to a page where you can get your copy emailed to you for free. If you're on your mobile device, you might not be able to click the button. So instead, click the link in the description to get the free workout. And as always, like, comment, let me know if there's any questions you have or anything you'd like to see in these videos. And don't forget to subscribe to Singing Made Simple, as there are a lot more videos on the way.